Hello, good morning.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you flying?
I am flying to London.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you very much. Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have one back.
Put it on the scale.
Is it okay here?
Yes, that is perfect. It is 18 kilos.
Is it too heavy?
No, it is fine. Do you have a carry-on?
Yes, this small backpack.
That is a good size. Any liquids in the bag?
No, I don't have any.
Window or aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Seat 15A is open. Here is your boarding pass.
What is my gate number?
Your gate is number 12.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Please step forward. Good morning. Put your bags in the tray. Should I take out my laptop? Yes, please take it out. My phone is in my pocket. Put your phone in the tray. Do I take off my shoes? No, your shoes are okay. Take off your jacket, please. Okay, I am doing it now. Do you have any liquids? No, I don't. Walk through the gate, please. Is it okay? Yes, you are all set. Where are my things? They are right here. Thank you, officer. Have a nice day. Is this your belt? Oh, yes it is. Don't forget your watch. Thank you for reminding me. You are welcome.
Hello. What would you like?
Coffee, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium coffee, please.
Would you like milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Any sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Would you like a snack?
How much is the croissant?
It is $4.
Okay, one croissant, please.
That is $7 total.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, tap it here. Thank you. Here's your coffee. Where can I sit? There are seats by the window. Can I use the Wi-Fi? Yes, it is free for everyone. What is the password? It is on your receipt. I see it now. Enjoy your snack.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I am looking for Gate 12.
Gate 12 is that way.
Is it far from here?
It is a 5-minute walk.
Should I turn left or right?
Go straight, then turn left.
I see. Thank you. Where are the toilets?
They are next to the cafe.
Is there a pharmacy here?
Yes, it is near Gate 2.
Thank you. What time is it?
It is 10:15 a.m.
My flight is at 11 a.m.
You have plenty of time.
Where can I buy a magazine?
There's a bookshop over there.
Is there a place to charge my phone?
Yes, there are outlets at the gate.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Flight 123 is boarding now.
Is this the gate for London?
Yes, it is. Please have your pass ready.
Here is my phone.
Thank you. Beep. You are in Group B.
Can I go in now?
Yes, please follow the line. Watch your step, please.
Hello, is this seat 15A?
Yes, that is your seat.
Can I put my bag here?
Yes, there is space.
Thank you. I am so excited.
Welcome on board. Please fasten your seat belt.
Okay, I am doing it now.
Put your seat up, please.
Is it okay now?
Yes, thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Goodbye.